Hi, I'm Tina Bennett again, and my assistant today told me I needed to talk about the Bradley Amendment. What is the Bradley Amendment? It is the statute in the United States Code that says child support will not be retroactive ever. It removes discretion from the court's hands. It means men and women alike who don't pay their child support and have valid reasons as to why they didn't pay whatever their child support obligation, they can go to jail. It's also that, what do you want to call it? You see it on the news a lot. Joe Schmo was deemed the parent of little Sue, but 10 years later, it was deemed that the mother named that guy and he happened to not be the dad of that child. Well, the Bradley Amendment says, too bad, so sad. You were named as the dad, and we're not going to go back in time and wipe out those arrears. So my assistant said, listen, nobody knows anything about the Bradley Amendment. People need to talk to their senators, their congressmen. They need to speak to somebody because judges need discretion to set orders straight. In New York State, the support collection unit is a disaster. The federal government funds it. These people work in Albany. They're getting paid minimum wage just to field calls and to obstruct information. They're a waste of time while there's local offices that people can deal with. So again, you need to talk to your senator, the congressman, your local politician, because this is everybody's problem. When they're talking about doing the stimulus money for parents, people that owe child support, they're not getting the stimulus check, and they're probably the ones that need it the most because they're not working. So I don't know why I have to keep repeating myself, but child support continues to be a really horrible issue. We have people that are part of everything that are talking about what you need to do to save money, how to be financially independent. You will never be financially independent if you're paying child support. You are supporting somebody else where the government is overseeing all your moves, and there's still debtor prison. So all these different movements that are saying bad police, good police, let's have prison reform. Well, you don't hear one thing about we need to reform child support so we can remove debtors prison from our statutes. So call me today or call me tomorrow or never call me. It's Tina Bennett.